You won't believe I made this recipe with just 3 ingredients. Let's start by grating 300 grams of mozzarella cheese. You guys, this recipe is very easy to prepare, and it tastes delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Put the grated cheese into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 egg. These are the only ingredients we're gonna need. Mix well until smooth. Write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following us. Start mixing using a spoon, then use your hands to knead the dough. This is the right texture. All the ingredients are blended together. Now put it on a cutting board and shape it into a rectangle. Using a pizza cutter, slice the dough in equal parts. If you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and comment below, "I love cheese." Now shape them into balls. In a pan with warm oil, add 4 balls at the same time and fry them. Remove them from the pan when they turn gold. Fry all of them. And our recipe is ready. Look how deliciously mouth-watering they are. Perfect for an afternoon snack, easy to prepare, and super tasty. I hope you liked our recipe. I'm gonna reply to your comments now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.